All right. I ordered one of those lots off eBay. I did a offer for $35, $36 for 9 different locks. Figure mix it up and get some weird locks that I don't typically see in the store. They are all old, and they definitely all don't have any keys. So it's a nice Yale lock. Another Yale lock. It's probably the first one I'll try to do. This is so light. This is it says Deluxe or Deluxe. Another Yale lock. Looks like they're all a good mix of different types. This is a master lock, number 47. This is a Hitman lock, I guess. I have to take it out. So if you get the reference. What the heck is this little guy? I swear it says 69 on there. Maybe 99. Yeah, I don't know what that one is. But clearly they didn't have the key, so they just took the whole watch. This one's weird. I don't see any labels on this one. Yeah, a 5. Oh, and then a little heart, almost a heart. This is very rusty and crumbling. And a Yale Junior. That's pretty cool. Yeah. I don't know. A little dirty, a little dusty, rusty. I don't know, maybe some of these. I don't know. Yeah. I'm gonna try to open some of these live. I just got them. Might as well try it. Look, it opens. No, I'm just kidding. So, probably need to figure out how to actually identify this sort of stuff. So, maybe I'll actually try to do this one. Recognize this. Yeah. was able to get in there deep enough. Hey, there we go. Cool. So, picked at least one of them. I'll have to look up what this is, though. So it's a Yale. Yeah. Can't really make out any of the markings, but alright, well, at least got that open. Right out of the box, first pick. So it's cool. Definitely some meat and weight to it. Cool. Well, yeah, there'll probably be more videos of these as I get the right tooling. This looks like a lever. So yeah, I'll make more videos as I figure out how to open up all these sort of things. So enjoy. Cheers.